Today, I'll show you how to use HubSpot for account management, focusing on tracking and protecting your most important clients. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go inside HubSpot and how to use the target accounts tools to keep relationships strong and reduce the risk of churn. Let's start right in your HubSpot portal. From the main navigation at the top, hover over the Sales menu. In the drop-down, look for the option called Target Accounts. Go ahead and click that. This is the central hub where you'll monitor your high-value clients, sometimes also called key accounts or strategic accounts. Once the target accounts page loads, you'll see a list of companies that have been marked as important. Think of this view as your command center for account management. You can quickly scan which accounts are getting attention, which ones are at risk, and where you might have gaps in your relationships. Take a moment to get familiar with what you're looking at. You'll typically see columns showing company names, owners, recent activity, potential deal value, and other details your team has set up. This is where you should be spending regular time if you manage client relationships, especially for customers who bring in significant revenue or have long-term contracts. Now, a powerful part of this screen is how it helps you understand buying roles. Buying roles are the different types of people involved in a customer's decision-making and ongoing relationship with your company. In HubSpot, these roles are usually assigned on the contact records, and they roll up into your view of each target account. When you click into a specific account from the target accounts list, you'll see the associated contacts for that company. Here is where you want to pay close attention. For healthy account management, you should confirm that you have at least 3 key roles covered: the decision maker, the end user, and the billing contact. The decision maker is the person who ultimately approves purchases or renewals. If you lose contact with this person, you can be blindsided when it's time to renew or expand the relationship. Make sure there is a clear decision maker associated with the account in HubSpot and that you have an active ongoing relationship with them. Next is the end user. This is the person or group that actually uses your product or service day to day. Their experience strongly influences whether the account stays with you. In HubSpot, confirm that you have 1 or more contacts labeled as end users and that they are engaged and supported. Finally, check that you have a billing contact listed. This is the person who handles invoices, payments, and contract details. If billing communication breaks down, it can quickly create friction and even lead to churn, even if the product is working well. As you review each target account, use this buying role information as a quick health check. If you don't see one of these roles represented, that's a sign you need to reach out to your existing contacts and either identify the right person or update the role on their contact record. Over time, make it a habit to revisit the target accounts view to spot gaps early and keep your relationships deep and diversified. By consistently using the sales target accounts section in HubSpot and ensuring you are connected with the decision maker, end user, and billing contact, you'll be in a much stronger position to manage high-value clients and prevent account churn.